How does the GSE Humidifier dehumidifier controller works? Before installing the controller, expose the wall mount brackets. Use the screws supplied with the controller when mounting the controller to your wall. Plug your humidifier, fogger machine into the socket, or plug your dehumidifier into the same socket. Place the sensor at the area you wish to measure. Don't let the sensor fall, get hit, or get in contact with water or aerosol. Follow the instructions specified in the manual. Power your controller and check that the power LED light is lit up. The humidity controller can handle a dehumidifier or a humidifier, fogger machine. To reduce humidity you need to connect a dehumidifier to the socket. Choose the desired humidity on your left knob and choose the function on the right knob. For dehumidifying use the orange part from -1% to -10% hysteresis. For example, set the desired humidity to 60%, and set the dehumidification hysteresis to -1%. Now the controller starts your dehumidifier above 60%, and stops -1% at 59%. If you set the humidity hysteresis to -10%, the controller starts the dehumidifier above 60% and stops -10% at 50%. To increase the humidity you have to connect a humidifier fogger machine. Make sure the fogger don't blow aerosol directly into the humidity sensor. Choose the desired humidity on your left knob and choose the function on the right knob. For humidifying use the blue part from 1% to 10% hysteresis. For example, set the desired humidity to 60%, and set the humidification hysteresis to 1%. Now the controller starts your dehumidifier below 60% and stops +1% at 61%. If you set the humidity hysteresis to 10%, the controller starts the humidifier below 60%, and stops +10% at 70%.